What is going on, everybody? My name is Gordon Xavier, and today I'm here to support you in your evolutionary journey. One thing I'm noticing is valuable in life as a human being trying to evolve and create what it is we want to create. One thing that's valuable is being clear on your values. Like what's most important to you? What are your values? I'll list off a few of my values to give you a reference point. One of my biggest values, as you all may be aware of, I typically, I have this shirt on, I wear this shirt all the time, but a big value for me is my evolution, my growth, my development as a person, as a spirit soul, as Gordon, right? So a big value of mine is evolution. Another value is love. Another value is openness, transparency, courage. These are values, these are virtues, these are pillars for me. What are your values, and how well do you honor them? Do you honor them with all of your heart and all of your mind, all of your essence? Or do you not honor them that much? If you don't honor your values, then they're not really that valuable to you. They're not really values. Right? You can't value honesty and lie. It's not really a value to you, because when something's valuable, we honor them. We make sure that the relationship, the connection between that which we honor, that which we value, we make sure that that connection is honored and maintained and healthy. Right? If you I use a person for example, if you value your spouse, you seek to understand them, to learn from them, to teach them, to love them, to go deeper. Right? So what are your values? The value that I wanna share with you, and I'm gonna make a series of videos exploring different values, because it's hard to, sometimes we don't have words, right? We're not taught about our values in school, right? So sometimes it's difficult to put words to our values. And I want to introduce to you different values that I've seen can have a major impact on the quality of life. There's specific values that I've incorporated and integrated in my life that have led to a particular quality of life. And so one of the ones I want to share with you today that can allow you to begin to branch out and to see the world more fully, that can be a powerful foundation for you to launch from. A beautiful value to have is the valuing being relaxed. That's a value of mine. I value being relaxed. And here's the thing. When you value something, that doesn't mean be rigidly attached to it. It means simply honor it and hold it close to your heart. And do your best to uphold it and uphold yourself to be eye level with that value, that value in which you've placed on a high shelf. When we value something, we don't necessarily put it on a pedestal, but we uphold it in a high regard. And if you find yourself pedestalizing your values, it could put you lower. Right? And so you want to be eye level with your values. You want to be right here with it on the same page as your values. And so one of the things that I value deeply is being relaxed. I've noticed in my world, by incorporating and integrating the value of relaxation into my body and into my mind, into my voice, into my eyes. I've noticed that it's allowed me to experience a level of freedom and security and confidence that I wasn't previously experiencing. When I'm rigid and tight, so is my mind. And the mind is a very important tool as a human, right? It helps us create, it helps us connect, it helps us learn and transcend. Being relaxed leads to being open. When you're relaxed, you can receive. What's the point of asking for a bunch of stuff in life if you can't receive it? What's the point of asking for money? What's the point of asking for love? What's the point of asking for new, exciting adventures when you're too tight and closed to receive it? Right now, we're experiencing a pandemic. We're experiencing a lot of fear. We're experiencing the world shift and turn, and a lot of intensity. Look at that word, intensity. And we help transmute this intense energy, this intense shifting. We help heal what's happening in the world. We help recalibrate this disruptive energy. We support the transmutation of it by not being tense. Being tense in the midst of intensity doesn't help. Right? What's up, guys? Being tense in the midst of intensity doesn't help. And so, being relaxed, right? Even we can be relaxed and alert. You can be relaxed and cautious. Being relaxed isn't the same as being lazy or docile. Not the same. I remember, it's funny. I remember one time I was giving a presentation a while back when I was doing network marketing, and I would do a lot of presentations. And I remember once I was sitting in the front of the group, and a fly flew right across me. It was flying, it was buzzing. I noticed this fly flying around. And I always made it a point to be grounded and relaxed whenever I was doing a presentation. And so I was really relaxed while talking to everybody and, engaged and secure and safe. And as this fly was buzzing around, distracting me and everybody else, I noticed I just went, and I grabbed the fly. It was flying around fast. And I was relaxed. And so, in being relaxed, we still have the ability to access agileness, sharpness, wit, precision. In fact, being relaxed actually supports us in accessing all of those other qualities. In fact, in my opinion, in my experience, being relaxed allows me to access all qualities. If I am relaxed, I am open. I can sense all the different dimensions to life. Being relaxed allows me to sit here and flow and talk to you. Being relaxed allows me to talk in front of a group of 100 people, 200 people, 300 people. Earlier this year, I somehow landed myself giving a speech in front of a couple hundred people randomly when I went to a protest for the Black Lives Matter movement. Found myself giving a speech in front of several hundred people. And because I value relaxation and being relaxed and being grounded, I was able to do so. And to do so on the spot. I didn't need to prepare. I didn't need to hype myself up. I was relaxed. and I was open. I was open to whatever life decided to give to me. Being relaxed makes a big difference. Being relaxed opens the door. This is a value to incorporate and integrate. Take a scan of your body right now. One of the best places to start in creating more relaxation and inviting this frequency into your world, into your life, into your consciousness, is to start with the body. Right? Kind of hard to think yourself relaxed. You know, it's like, what am I going to do? Think relaxing thoughts? Well, I mean, that takes work. Thinking takes work. So instead of thinking about relaxation and trying to think relaxing thoughts, let your shoulders drop. Let your face relax. If you watch some of my old videos, you can see that I was way more tense. Right? My voice, I would like try to entertain you. I try to like be uppity and like energetic. Right? And those videos, it took me like 15 attempts to make those videos. On the 15th one, I finally got the video right. Because I was being intense, trying to make a video, trying to be something other than what I was, other than what I am. And in my soul, in all of our souls, we are relaxed, we are at ease, we are at peace. So, yeah, right now I can feel in my body relaxation. My eyes feel relaxed. My face feels relaxed. My throat feels relaxed. My voice feels relaxed. My heart feels relaxed. My shoulders feel relaxed. The mind and the body are one. They intertwine. They engage. You stub your toe. You have disturbance in your mind. If there's disturbance in your mind, you think of a traumatic event in your life. You may find your shoulders tightening up. You may find your face doing this. Right, doing this thing. Right? If you feel sadness in your body, you feel a sad energy coursing through your body, you'll begin to most likely think sad thoughts. Right? If you smoke some ganja, and that THC gets into your brain, gets into your body, and your body is altered, your mind is different. Your mind works differently. You drink a little bit of alcohol, and that alcohol begins to take effect. You begin to slur your words, and your inhibitions go down, and you stop giving a shit what people fucking think. Right? Your consciousness shifts. Your mind shifts. A lot of people will depend on external things to bring relaxation into the body. But God made us creators. We're made in the image and likeness. We are creators. We can summon energy. We can summon consciousness. We can summon qualities. We can summon values. We can summon frequencies. You can summon the frequency of relaxation and peace. You don't need anything external to yourself to do that. Maybe sometimes it helps to have a video, someone to reflect back to you the quality, to share with you the vibration, to share with you the energy, the information of that particular vibration. Sometimes it helps to have a mirror so that you can see yourself, so you can see a part of yourself being reflected back in another. That's the potency. I'm a life coach, and I have other life coaches that I work with and that work with me, right? And we do that. We mirror back our consciousness to each other through powerful conversation. And what that does is it opens the door for me to see myself and to see how I can summon and create and invite energies and vibrations and frequencies into my being. Through simple conversation, I've learned how to relax. Through simple reflection, I've learned how to be all that I am that I am. So to finish this video up, I invite you today to think about relaxation, to not just think about it, not just to mull it around in your mind, but to do it. To let your shoulders drop, to let your spine, to let the muscles that go along the sides of your spine relax. To let your hips relax, to allow your pelvic floor to drop. Allow your jaw to relax. All the tension in there, you can release that. All the tension in your forehead, you can release that. Relax your face. This is where the ego typically hangs out most, is in our face. And so if you have a tight, tense ego, you're gonna have a tight, tense face. If you wanna have a relaxed, easy, flowy ego, then relax your face. You can reverse engineer. Right? What do your calves feel like? What do your feet feel like? Start with your body. Relax. And as you relax, see what that does for your consciousness, for your mind. And see what that does for your reality. Watch how people interact and engage with you differently and look at you differently. All of a sudden, people are going to want to be around you more. You'll become more attractive because everybody wants to be relaxed. People don't want to feel disturbed and tense and tight. People want to feel relaxed. Relaxation is nice. That's what we're all searching for. We all want peace, peace of mind. So be that and watch your relationships shift. Watch yourself become a light. Watch your light expand. Watch yourself become medicine for other human beings. And watch your reality shift. If you would like support in creating more relaxation in your life and in your mind and your consciousness, hit me up. You can do so at Gordon Xavier Coaching on Instagram. Or you can go to GordonXavier.com and do that. And you can book a phone call. We can connect. And I'll support you in opening yourself up to relaxation. And you can figure out, why do you choose to hold so much tension? What unconscious thing is happening in the background of your consciousness, of your mind, that cause you over and over and over again to create tension and tightness and resistance in your life? Life is not something to be resisted, but it's something to be experienced. It's something to be available. It's something for us to be available for. Tension and resistance does not protect you. It only stretches out the illusion that you are protected. It only stretches out the pain. We don't need to be tensed and guarded to be safe. We can be open and alive and present. And to me, that's more safe. To be totally here, open, sensitive, and engaged fully, so we can dodge and move and maneuver and navigate in a way that preserves our longevity, preserves our health, and amplifies it. So, much love to you. Thank you for watching and connecting with me. Go to my website and get you an Evolve shirt and represent your evolution. You can't spell evolve without love. So I love you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the like button if you found this valuable. Leave a comment, share with me and us your thoughts. Be sure to subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon. Namaste.